A passenger plane with 100 people on board has crashed in Kazakhstan's Almaty airport after it lost altitude. As per media reports, the crash has left at least 14 people dead, confirmed local aviation authorities in the Central Asian nation. Out of 14, 6 have been identified as children. At least 35 people have been injured in the plane crash. Celebrating its 34th Foundation Day, the Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association has kicked off a 10-day Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 today at Manipur Mountaineering Institute, Lamdan. Wakching Kumhauba was observed today at Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanglen located inside First Manipur Rifles Complex, Imphal. Organized by Moilang Salai Yakaipung, the day marks the arrival of Wakching month in accordance with the Manipuri lunar calendar. Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam was today felicitated on receiving an honorary doctorate degree in Science and Political Science from the European University of BRC-KO District, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Department of Education, Government of Manipur and Manipur International University organized the function at the auditorium of MSFDS, Imphal. Biting cold wave persists as the mercury continued its downward trend across northern India today. While Delhi recorded a minimum temperature of 4.2 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 13.4 degrees Celsius today, the Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that this December could be the second coldest in 118 years in the national capital, as temperatures are predicted to drop further. Personnel of the Government Railway Police today seized suspected opium weight 3.5 kg from a train in Guwahati. According to media reports, the contraband substance was seized during routine checking from the possession of one Sahadev Visnoy of C12 Sobhavatan Ki Dhani under Subhasnagar Vistar Yojana Police Station in Jodhpur of Rajasthan. Bhutan hosted a first ever writers' conference in Phunhet, Sogling. The day-long conference held recently saw more than 40 young and aspiring writers from Bhutan collaborating with Indian authors to make a better market for Bhutanese writers. The conference was a platform for young writers to share their love for literature and the challenges they face while they pursue writing. The death toll from a Christmas typhoon that tore through the central Philippines rose to 28 today, with 12 people missing, the disaster agency said, as authorities moved to restore power and residents tried to damage repair homes. As per media reports, 43,000 people were moved to temporary shelters among the 185,000 impacted by the typhoon, which destroyed 49 homes and partially damaged 2,000.